Yo, good morning everyone. Welcome in. And let's go, spam those W's. We got CPI today. And I think like the top down, gold is bullish. You know what I'm saying? Like gold is ready to fly here, I believe. We closed above the all-time high resistance and created a bottom wick. We're about to break the current high. 4 hour created support. We're most likely gonna retest this resistance and potentially push up here. I don't really know where CPI will go, but I do expect a printer. And the change here we have expected for the forecast. We have some green numbers, and then a no change and a no change. But let's see. Hopefully we'll get some unexpected results, and it'll make CPI move a lot. So the goal for here is just to have buy stops, sell stops, and 1 minute time in the range. So bottom wick, sell stop, top wick, buy stop, and then we see how it goes. I'm gonna be risking 50k XFA here. What about you guys? Cyper, Alex, what you guys gonna do here? How much you guys gonna risk?
I'm back. I don't know, but like I'm gonna need to stop and check in a bit.
Yeah. So what's the strategy gonna do?
Probably the whole account.
Having buy stops on the wicks up top and sell stops on the wick down, or
exactly. So let's say this
area is
is
70 pips though.
Yeah, it's fine. Let's say this right here would be like 1 minute before. I'd have my buy stop and sell stop on these ranges. So the white line would be buy stop and sell stop. And then CPI comes out, breaks above, breaks below, and then we should be take off.
Yeah.
But let's see, I would like for us to close like 1 minute before in the middle of the range. That would be the best. Yeah. So you just gotta wait. This is gonna be exciting CPI day, man.
What's your prediction, up or down?
I mean,
I think up.
I think technically gold is looking very bullish. Like the daily, the 4 hour support, everything is telling me that we're gonna come up. But CPI, you know what I mean, it goes pretty much off the results of the news. But from the forecast from Forex Factory, we have a forecast of green numbers, which would mean gold should come down. But the other ones, the monthly and the yearly, they have a forecast of no change. But hopefully the results will come out unexpectedly and cause gold to spike. I want that spike. So I'm gonna be risking 2 GCs on the 50k, and if we go to the upside, I'm gonna be aiming to the moon. Like I'm gonna be aiming towards more than all-time highs, to be honest. Like this is 200 pips, 300 pips.
Yeah, it's about 250 pips to crack all-time highs, and after that we just fly pretty much.
Yep.
Yeah, to the downside, I'm just gonna aim 200 pips maybe down to
support. I mean, let's
exactly.
see. The thing is, we also want to see like how it comes out. If we just like print and push, I'm just gonna hold. until we like, if we break all-time highs, I'm just gonna hold it if we continue pushing and then close.
Yep.
And then if we like print and then like up, down, up, down, up, down, I'm just gonna close most likely. Well, let's see, this 50K, I don't really care too much about it. So I might just hold until I make like a good 300 pips. So like 6K. Something slight.
Yeah, I'm not aiming for 200 pips.
I guess we might get a breakout also.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at the
Yeah.
volume.
A CPI breakout.
Imagine. Get it
Yeah.
Volume.
Look at that 1 minute candle, bro. What the hell?
Bro, I almost thought that I actually
60
missed
pips.
CPI there. Yeah.
But look at this. I feel like this CPI is gonna be a big mover just because of this. Look at the volume we have pre-news. Like, look at this. The
Yeah,
1
they
minute
usually
candle
need
is 60 pips.
Yeah. Yeah, now it's starting to kick in.
I'm shaking. Let's go. I'm excited. Shaking from excitement.
Yeah. And worst case scenario, we push down, activate, and just fly up. That's gonna be the worst case. But
Worst case
that's-
scenario, we blow a 50. I blow a 50K account, which
Yeah.
is already in drawdown. So
Yeah.
no
And I'm a
biggie.
blow 2. I'm a blow 2.
So
That's what's expected.
I was contemplating on risking the 150 as well, but I was like, nah, I'm up 2K. I don't wanna risk, you know, the profits we made from yesterday's trade, which was a very nice trade.
Yep.
I'll rather just risk this 50K. All or nothing on this thing.
Yep.
3 minutes. Woo.
Yeah, I have one account that's up pretty much. So that account I'm a save, and then I have 2 accounts that's pretty much already blown. So why not just rip the bandage off? Two things can happen. We can blow the accounts, or we can revive the accounts and maybe even be able to take a big payout.
Yep.
Either one is working perfectly fine for me.
The only thing that, like, the worst case scenario for me would be to get activated before the news. So you have to be very careful with where you put the buy stop and sell stop. Chala in the building, let's go. You're about to experience greatness.
And that's also why I wait for the last like 10
30
or
seconds.
Yeah, last 5 seconds, 10 seconds.
Like, I place them around like the last 30 seconds and then I'll move them down.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. 2 minutes.
Have you seen these people that actually place orders like CPI like 200 pips above? That's crazy.
I mean, if that's their strat and they're profitable, it's good. But like, this is our strat right here. We're the printing squad. We print the money.
Yeah, we want to have the buy stop and sell stop the closest to the price action we can.
Let's see. I mean, price. If we close, like, if we can just continue the range for like 1.5 more minutes,
yeah, I think so.
We should be money, man. We should be money. I want this 1 minute candle not to be too close to the bottom or too close to the high. I just want it to be right in the middle. Mm-hmm. Buy stop, sell stop. Oof. Let's go. CPI day.
Have placed? No. So.
All right, 1 minute left here.
I'm gonna be ready. Stop, buy.
Yeah, buy stops placed. Sell stops placed. All right.
So. Do you have them a little bit?
I have them very far away from where I'm gonna put them, just because, you know, I can put the buy stop already because I feel like we're not gonna come near there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have the sell stop ready.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's see.
So are you still gonna have the sell stop where it is?
Yeah, I'm gonna move it up to where I have it right now.
Where do you have it, on the wicks of the range?
Yeah, a little bit below here.
Yeah, it makes sense.
All right, they're placed. Let's get it. 5 seconds. Let's get a little zoom out here. Take off. What the hell?
Order filled.
What is this? Is this CPI?
Nothing.
I'm deleting. I deleted, but like I don't want to be inside there.
Is this CPI or what?
It went down like 5 pips and I lost accounts.
I'm in. I'm break even here.
I don't like this, Malak.
Nah, what happened, bro? I thought this was gonna be a printer. What?
Nice
what kind of CPI is this?
It is a printer.
Yeah, it is a printer, but it went very, very slow, bro.
Yeah, it's a slow
It had
printer.
some lag, so I deleted Malak. I was like, fuck it, because it could activate both ways.
Yeah, so I got activated and taken out, like it went back down like 2 pips and I was out. What?
All right,
with
I'm
every
gonna hold
account,
this
you
one.
lost the account.
Yeah, I lost them. What?
It's fine.
And it never really came down. It came down like 2 pips.
Like a zero effect on me. I just put them and delete them from the car, driving again. Just stop somewhere,
What?
put them, didn't work.
A slow CPI, man. What the hell?
Are you
That
break
was-
even at least?
Yeah, I'm break even. So
Yeah.
that was
It's
such
gonna
a
be-
slow.
I told you, Malaga, it's gonna be slow until the new Fed is gonna come because there is no news now, unfortunately.
Order filled.
Yeah, there you go,
Well,
break
now-
even. But
And now you're
it's because we had no change on the the yearly and the
Well,
monthly.
we're not gonna have massive news till May that that Powell is out of office, unfortunately. It's gonna be slow.
But I mean,
Volatility.
technically,
He's already out.
we used 150 pips, so technically it was great, but
Like I said, you didn't close at 150.
Nah, we never moved 150 from my entry.
How much did we move from the buy stops?
80.
that's
Ah,
crazy.
Yeah. So my target would be 100, so I would be out at break even as well.
Yeah. So, I mean, that was quite a disappointing CPI there.
Yeah.
What the hell, man? I thought
It's
we were
good,
gonna get
Malaga.
some more.
We didn't lose any money, Malaga. For me, it's good.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't. I'm not gonna say it's a bad trade or anything, but we were expecting some motion. I was expecting some motion.
Both buy stops and sell stops.
Yeah. Well, that's fine. Now let's see what we can get here for today. Daily bullish, very bullish. 4 hour is at the resistance right now too.
I don't understand how Zyper got activated though.
No, I don't know, bro. I got
The market
activated, and then it just tapped me out.
Activated on sells on buys.
No, buys. So it activated me on buys, but as soon and then it bugged up, bro. It just lagged, and then when it came back, I was activated in profit and lost account, bro.
Ed, look at it now, Malaga break even, and now look 100 pips.
Yeah. But
This is exactly the back test. No,
yeah, it's fine.
but we don't know when it's gonna hit you break even.
So here's the thing now. What I'm gonna look for is pullback
Exactly what I
support. Pullback support is probably what I'm gonna be looking for now.
Yeah.
We did get red numbers on the core CPI. So
Once again, Malaga, the back test is right.
exactly.
That's why I told you let's go fucking back test everything. Let's go.
Yeah, I mean,
let's go back
technically,
test 19 now.
technically it is a printer. It just didn't
It's-
move as fast as we wanted because we never came back down. You know, we went up and hovered a little bit and still just printed up. But so this candle still doesn't have a bottom wick, which
Yeah,
means,
but you know, when we talk about printers, we're talking about 100 pips in 1 second.
yeah, I know.
Not like
printing, yeah.
it moved like 10 pips and then it stopped and pulled back and then moved a little bit more.
Yeah,
So now
but-
we need to
yeah.
go back to 2015 to 2020, Malaga.
This is
So
one
the
of
thing
those
is-
CPIs that just wasn't the printer.
from the bottom to where we had the buy stops, it was around 60 pips. So it printed 60 pips and then it stopped and then it started printing again.
Yeah. It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Anyways, back to the
80
playbook.
pips with 2 contracts, how much is it?
I was up like 1 point something.
Point how though?
I don't know.
2.2 or 0.7.
It was like up 1.7, bro, 1.8.
Ah,
And he just
malaka.
let it go.
Let's see here.
I might have closed.
Nah, I was already, you know, I had a plan. Was gonna hold it out. Because I don't really care to make that little amount.
Yeah.
Because that, like, when I'm trading news trade, I'm expecting big moves, right? And if I don't get the big move, then I'll just put it at break even and then act like I never took the news trade.
By the
Yeah.
way, 100 pips were hit now.
Yeah. But
2K
yesterday's
mark
trade was way better. We made like what? More than
100.
this.
Yeah, 140 pips.
Yeah, so this trade is like just an average trade, to be honest, and it's a news.
Crazy.
But yeah, pullback support now. That's what I'm gonna look for here.
Yep.
Next month. And we never saw the breakout also on the 30th. If we saw the breakout, never mind the CPI would be in.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
nothing.
yeah, exactly.
Just gotta wait now.
Alright. Next month we have 5 accounts, all fully loaded, taking a payout, and then we max out. Let's go.
I think the news are not correct about low volatility now.
Very low. Very slow.
Yeah, I had a feeling something like this would happen today.
Because
Right.
NFP, if you remember, NFP also on Friday was very slow.
Yeah.
Almost no reaction.
Very slow. Yeah, so this news candle is 160 pips. That's pretty much nothing in these ranges though.
Yeah. Like 160 pips is something I'll expect for 9:30, not for news. News, I'm expecting like 200 plus.
Yeah.
160 pips. I see that every day.
I might have to buy another combine though. Pass another account. I still have this account that I'm up pretty good on, so it's fine. I can take a payout maybe tomorrow.
You can buy the no challenge account now, Malaka. You can buy the already funded accounts.
What?
Which are big. Top Step has 2 options now, right?
Yeah,
no
but
challenge.
it's like you still have to pass it though. But you just don't pay activation fee.
No, yeah, it's more worth for me.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, but the way I passed accounts, it's not worth it.
Why? What do you do different?
Yeah, because if I lose the account, like 5 times in a row, it's double the money, bro.
Yeah, that's true. If you risk a lot, yeah, that's true. The way I do it, which I'm more conservative, for me, it's very worth.
Yeah. I mean, I can pass an account 100%, but for me, if I don't pass it,
It's expensive, yeah.
yeah, if I don't pass it in the first try, it's pretty much the same as just buying an account and paying for the fee, because it's like, what is it, like $110 for
19
no activation fee? Yeah, if you blow that account once, then you have to pay that same price once again, and then that's 220, and that's exactly how much it costs to just buy an account and pay the activation fee. So if you buy an account without activation fee, you just have 1 try to pass it.
But Malaka, if you don't go with if you don't go with the highest risk that you can imagine on a combine, and you try to pass it in like 5 trades, 4 trades,
Yep.
I think it's worth it.
Yeah, of course it's
Because then the risk of blowing it is lower, you know?
Yeah, but it's worth it if you pass it the first try.
Yeah, it is true.
So then you
I
save
think
$100.
Depends on the character of the trader. I don't know. Malaga. That was a fun ride. No trade. CPI.
Yeah, it was very very slow, very slow. Next month I expect big movement. Yeah, big movement, because then the year has pretty much officially started also. So maybe April, March, April. Let's see. So February we have. Well, let's go to February. Wait, next month. Yeah. When do we have CPI? We have CPI Wednesday, February 11th.
Yeah, we gotta wait a month.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm down to wait a month, bro. One of these CPIs is gonna give us like 20k per account, bro, on all 5 accounts. So it's by that time it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be 100% worth it. Let's go. But I mean, how many people out there actually streams the CPI gamble? Everybody talks about just sticking to the plan and everything. Yeah, of course we stick to the plan, but also we can have fun sometimes.
I mean, the CPI for me is like actually profitable.
Yeah, I mean, it's
still haven't lost a single CPI yet for me.
Now I lost this one because my accounts were like, I had like $200 left,
Yeah.
so it went down. It probably went down like 10 pips, and I lost it. But otherwise, except for that, I would have been up now, and I would.
If you have so little amount left, though, makes sense. You know, like,
Yeah. So if I had like $1,000 or something left in drawdown, I would have been profitable right now. So we can journal this as a window.
technically, it was a W. Yeah, technically.
Yeah. So the only reason why Ed didn't profit from this was because he left it running. If he just closed out at the top, he would have made $1,500 right there.
Yeah, but he doesn't go for.
No, exactly.
I don't go for small amounts.
I would close at around 50 pips. If I would see this reaction, I would close. I would trail stops.
Yeah, 100%. Me too. So I would have been out green for the day. So yeah, but for me it was like I had $200 left, so I got tapped out. But Ed, he had a different ending. He wanted CPI to just push through everything, which I agree with. I would have also want to see that. The way CPI,
but so differently as well.
Exactly. So the way price was moving, I would have been out pretty fast after seeing that small push. But I had no choice, bro. My accounts were gone like in 1 second.
You had little left, but it's fine.
It's fine.
Like the probabilities of the accounts to be blown were much higher, so why not blow it?
Exactly. So
this way, I survived an account 2 months back. I was like $200 away, traded CPI, made 2K, took a payout.
I remember that. And that's also why I put the accounts on the table. But next month, if I'm down $1,000, I will. That might be better if I have $1,000 left, because then I have more flexibility to the price to move pretty much, so it doesn't tap me out as fast.
I mean, if it's a printer. You don't care about the amount because it's gonna print. Like you're gonna see zero drawdown.
Yeah, exactly. And now we just had like
printer, like from the backtest we did with Ed. Like 80, not 80, like I'm more than 80, but I would say 80% of the trades just printed. Yeah. Boom. Nothing.
Yeah. I mean, this candle just went back like 10 pips or something. Because I watched back on the stream, it tapped me in and then it came back down like Yeah, around 10 pips it came back down.
Yeah.
And that was enough to tap me out, unfortunately.
10 pips, 2 GCs.
Yeah, that's
You
just
had the same buy stop as Zed though. No, you had it lower.
No, I had the buy stop the same, but the sell stop I had a little bit higher. So we were tapped in pretty much at the same point, but it came down around 10 or 20 pips. So, and that was enough to tap me out.
Okay.
So next month, if I have an account in drawdown, I'm gonna try and hold it around 1k in drawdown, so I actually have more options, you know. And then I had the other account. That's funny, bro. I had the other account that I copy traded with. I connected it to the copy trader, and that account was not blown, bro. That's crazy. So that
The third
account.
one.
No, the second account. The third one I didn't touch. But the
You blew
second
only one. You blew only one.
I blew one, and then the other account was had like $10 or something, or $50 left. So I just execute.
Okay.
I just execute by, just in case it was gonna just pump, bro. But the activation fee just took me out, or how you say it, the commission fee.
Yeah, just like
So
a tiny little bit of spread or drawdown is gonna.
Yeah. So but it's fine. I have another very healthy account here, so it's fine. And one day more and I can take a payout.
It's a 50k account. The other one.
Yeah.
You need
So
one
it's a
more day
50.
for payout.
Yeah, one more day and I can take a
Okay,
payout.
good.
And that's gonna be my first
How much
payout
of
of
the
the
payout are you
year.
gonna take? 1k.
Yeah, around 1k. I just want to reinvest all the money back to Top Step pretty much. So I have around $200 or $300 on my Wise account right now, so that I have locked in for only Top Step purposes. So business, I can say.
Yeah, clever, but like.
Dump in there also just for business expenses, so I can pass pretty much every account again, so I can reinvest everything.
Yeah,
That's
clever,
what
like.
that's what I'm gonna do with this, so I can keep it moving. You know, high risk, high reward. So, and it's way more fun to go high risk when you know you have finance to actually pass accounts every day if you want. That's when you know you can just go all in and see what happens, pretty much.
I'm not an all-in guy, man. Like I wouldn't go all in, but.
No, but I mean,
Yeah.
like high risk. If you can like pass 15 more accounts, you can just go a little bit higher in risk. You know, if you lose the account, you can just pass another one. It doesn't even bother you when you look at the money that you have, pretty much.
It depends on your loss streak, man. Like it depends if you can manage the loss streak, because when a loss streak happens, you're gonna blow a lot of accounts.
Yeah, of course, and
Then
that's
it's gonna take your money back.
Yeah, so as
So
long
it's all
as
about
you
management then.
Yeah, but of course you still gotta follow the playbook, and you're not gonna just gamble away the money, but it feels more like you have more mentality, you know. It doesn't bother you as much if you have the finance.
Yeah, of course.
It's way more easy to just let it go.
Of course.
And that's why I really don't care about all these accounts, because I can just pass a few more accounts now if I want. And if I take a payout, I can pass every account. So yeah, reinvest pretty much. Just know how to move the money. Yeah, we should see a pullback by now, I think, because now we're tapping targets. We're coming up to the resistance. Yeah.
See, because it's very overextended now.
But I would wanna see this candle
next one.
close up here, and then a pullback after this. Because otherwise the 30 is gonna look very ugly.
Yeah, I mean,
PM back?
just gotta wait. PM.
Did you take the CPI trade?
Yeah, I'm still in, bro.
You're still in it?
Are you still in?
Go.
Yeah.
Yo.
Let's
you're
go.
up.
Let's get it.
You up.
I couldn't get in the first minute because I was busy. But I saw the printer and I was like, oh, I'm gonna do it with a small risk. So I'm still in and just put my take profit on the B. So it's risk free for me.
Nice.
Because it didn't have the chance to take a look much, and that's why. But I saw you took a W, right?
No, I got hit at break even.
He
Really?
let it run.
I wanted to hold it too.
Ah, yeah. I think we'll break the high, and then we'll just go straight, like
I
a
mean, it
waterfall.
did just have me out at break even and then continued up. So I was right on the direction there.
But I took a lot of things for the 1 hour that I was down. I will show you in a bit once I get home. But how the numbers came out?
Red
they,
on the core CPI, and then the other ones had no change.
PM, what are you targeting?
I'm targeting the 30-minute resistance in the top 46.31.
The top of the range.
Yeah, the top of the range, yeah. No, the final resistance.
Are you break even? Or trailing stops?
Yeah, for now, yeah. I don't have much time to take a look on the chart. I guess it will come to break even.
It is coming for your break even, boy.
You took it high risk, Malaka. You took it 2 GC as well.
No, hell no, bro.
Normal.
I took a 5 from MGC because my account is pretty small, like 50k, and I don't need much. I have this consistency rule from top one that I have to follow. So that's a maximum of 700 for me for the day.
Yeah, man, now we just wait.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for a pullback on the 15 and then a support to continue to buy some. That's what I'm gonna be looking for here today.
Yeah. Do we have any other news today? Maybe a little bit later?
Nothing crazy. We have Trump speaking at 8, but I don't know what he's gonna be saying.
Yeah. The usual shit.
You know.
If you know, you know.
That he's gonna marry his grandson to the royal family in Denmark. Have you heard about it?
No.
It's he wants to marry the grandson to the royal family in Denmark. The girl, I don't know her name, but it was his intention.
Who?
Sorry, what? Yeah, Trump. He wants to marry his grandson to the princess of Denmark.
Clever.
So you can take Greenland.
Yeah. Dynasty marriage.
I like these guys. Everything is a tactic.
Yes, he's very smart.
Everything is strategical and tactical. Mathematics.
Oh, don't tell me that I just broke my wine. Fuck. Yep, it's coming to my break even. Yep, break even. Oh, very nice. It was worth it.
Yeah, so I think let's wait 30 minutes here for the 15 to pull back and give us a support, and then see if we get that. If we get that, I'll be happy to take that trade and manage it how we should manage the trades.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so pullback is coming, but I don't like that the 30 is pulling back. I wanted the 30 to close up and then get a pullback.
I mean, what we could get is some sort of like pack runner under 30, so we end up closing above, and then 15 minute will give us that support.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Yeah, and we have 30 minutes to 9:30 also, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Da da ta da ta 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 da 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 da. Where do you want to see this pullback come down to?
To the 15 support. So this is how I'm looking here. We have this range right here, right?
Yep.
We want this support to close above here once it gets formed, but I wouldn't mind the next 15-minute candle closing below, and then the next 15 closing back above here. So I'm gonna have it like buys above here.
Yeah.
If we get like a support.
Yeah, makes sense. What we also can do, if we close a little bit higher up at 9:30, we can fade back down. Depends how the closure is looking and all that.
Yeah.
Alright, so we closed in the middle of the range now.
Yeah. I mean, like on a 30-minute time frame, it's not looking the best, but if we can just come down and create a support down here on the 15, I'm still down to take that. If we just continue pushing up, most likely gonna be nothing here for the day. Just gonna have to wait.
Yeah, so now the 30 is looking okay because we didn't come back down all the way, which is perfect. Because otherwise we would have been on the 30 officially back down in the range. But now we're still bullish, we can say. We have tap target and everything, but if we come down and create a support now on the 15, we should be good. I think.
Yeah, I think this is looking good. Like if we can just keep this 30-minute looking like this with this little top wick here, and then 9:30 we get the 15 support, and then the 30-minute breaks that high. I mean, it's looking pretty nice.
Yep. I mean, yeah. You might want to come up feel the wick, but it's fine. I'm a wait for a support at bottom. That's gonna be what I'm gonna look for.
It's gonna be the best.
Yeah. Maybe 4 hour want to break out now to the upside then. Keep going to all-time highs.
Yeah, 4 hour looks good. 4 hour, if we close above, it looks like we're gonna continue up. Daily closed above. So the daily, I don't see like no doubt about it that we could fill this wick here today.
Yeah. Yeah. So exactly. So 4 hour might come back down close below, and we have a little bit of a range for a few days. But I think it's a high probability that we're actually gonna break out on 4 hour. Also based on the CPI, that's gonna help us push out. And yeah, let's see what happens. So Alex, what are you playing?
Me?
Yeah, what are you playing? I can see that you're online on your PlayStation.
I played a match of COD.
Alright.
Call of Duty.
Yeah, I can see on Discord that he's playing PlayStation.
Yeah, because I've connected the chat to talk to you from the controller.
Ah, yeah. Ah, so you're talking through the controller now.
Yeah, I'm not even on my phone.
So can you hear us through the controller also?
Yeah.
Hahaha, weird. That's weird, bro.
Everything from the controller.
Yeah.
Better from
Did you take any trades?
I might have to do that also.
Alex, did you take any trades for the CPI?
I had the buy stops, but I deleted the. When it opened, it didn't print it. It just came up, came down, came up, came down.
But it didn't activate you, right? Did it?
No. Because my buy stop was at the top of the range, at the top week of the.
But did it push through though?
I don't know where you're at. I was not watching or Edge. It didn't activate. I just deleted
Yeah,
because I didn't like the on the first second. Like we need to print. So if we don't print, I'm deleting.
Yeah, so I didn't get activated for like a good 5 seconds, bro. And then when I got activated, it was like back at in profit, but it tapped me out because it was like it's registered that it's tapped me in and went back down a little bit before it actually came up and tapped me in. I don't know, bro. It was weird price, weird movement. The CPI. Let's see.
Yeah, weird CPI move.
Yeah, very weird, but it's fine. We were so ready to lose these accounts, so it's not even a loss, bro. It's a potential win. It's not a loss. Pa pa pa. To get it in, Yeah, so 4 hours hovering right now at the resistance. Let's see what it does. I'm not gonna force any trades today. I'm already green for the day on this account, so I have secured my daily profit target. So kinda.
Yeah. For me too.
You can lock your accounts, right?
There is nothing here that I'm gonna force. Are you looking for the support? If I don't get that, I'm not gonna take it.
That's it. If we don't get this support by 9:30 and it doesn't look like a potential setup is on the way, I'm gonna close down pretty early and come back tomorrow.
Go leg day.
Yeah, I'm gonna go fucking leg me. This guy go leg me.
But no volume, Alex. It's 30 minutes, hasn't it? What is that, Malek?
Yeah, it's
nothing.
weird, bro.
Oh, tiny.
Yeah, it's been like this like the whole week. Last
It's like
week.
CPI came and no volume.
Yeah, it pushed 150 pips and then now it's dead.
Velvet. Where's my fishes?
Yeah, 200 pips. 200 pips. That's great. That's great. But I love CPI though, because look at the CPI candle. We never came down to create a bottom wick. That's crazy. That's how accurate CPI is. It just goes one way, bro. It never comes down. Maybe 5 pips or something, but like now, and unfortunately I got caught in it, but it never comes back down to activate the downside. You know, like flipping up and down like F1C or something.
Yeah, it rarely happens. It does happen sometimes. But usually what you would see with CPI is the printer, right?
Yeah.
And a big one at that, you know what I mean? So this was actually a CPI that doesn't really, like, this move here usually doesn't happen on CPI because it was pretty slow.
Yeah.
Usually you would see a way bigger move.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah, I mean, I remember the first CPI we did, like in December. That was a good CPI, but it didn't move so much, but it printed. It printed, though. It did print, but not so much, though. Yeah. Let's see what happens.
Gonna play some Ark.
Ark Raiders or Ark the Survival?
The Raiders.
You wanna play?
Yeah,
Yeah, if you're about to play, just stream some of it.
I can't.
I might have to download it on the Rug Alley because the PC will lag if I play it while streaming.
Yeah, I agree, bro. Your PC will die, bro. It will.
I have so long to play
Suicide.
this game that I forgot workshop, all that. We need.
So we up 340 subs now, bro. So we gained. What did we gain from last week? Like
I think like
almost-
20.
I think so. Since we started again.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's a great start to come back to.
Like healthy numbers, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Slow and steady.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. We are pushing. Yeah, next year by this time, I hope we can see some people actually having some conversations within the chat also.
Mm-hmm.
We might have a few, maybe 100 people just typing.
It'd be nice.
It's gonna be hard to keep up, bro.
I'm excited when it becomes hard to keep up with the chat.
Yeah, you gotta scroll back and read it and pause the chat and everything. Nah, it's gonna be funny.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be amazing, bro. We will eventually we will get there.
Sweet time in the building. Welcome in.
Let's go. Let's go. I was about to ask her to make me a coffee, but I don't want to drink a coffee right now.
No coffee for Cyper.
No, I don't want coffee because then
Get
maybe
Cyper a water.
No, I have water, bro.
A
I
fresh
have
water from Mount Fuji.
It's not Mount. It's not Mount Fuji. It's Mount my.
Fiji.
Mount under the
Underground.
ground under my house. Yeah.
The underground mountain.
Yeah. The
Mountain Zaipi, like Mountain Zaipi.
Swedish water. The freshest water on earth.
Make an ad.
Nordic Circle. The Arctic Circle water. That's the best water on earth. Especially if you don't have all these chemicals and shit in it. As I don't do, because I drink the water straight from the underground.
Zaiper,
Yeah.
are you in the Arctic Circle where you?
It depends. Technically not. I don't think so, but I'd say it is.
For marketing purposes.
Yeah,
For marketing
I don't
purposes.
I don't know where the Arctic Circle starts. If it's a little bit more north, but
Yeah.
I'm sure very close to it.
Good, bro.
Be on the edges.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, I have to. I actually. Now when you talk about it, I'm gonna Google it.
Fuck, I have a headache just by fucking helling some balloons.
Malaka,
Look. Wait.
Let's see. Oh no, I'm not in the Arctic Circle. It's way more north.
What happened? Wait.
But we can pretend that I'm there, even if it's like 10 hours up.
Two.
Hey, so your girlfriend is turning 2? W.
Yeah, so I don't think we're gonna get this pull back here. So just got to wait.
Yeah, I mean, I'm down to take a breakout also to the top, to the upside, because we still got some range to the upside. Fill the daily wick also. That's 120 pips to the upside. I'm not gonna. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. Depends. If we break out on this candle and the next candle close like a celery or something above, then maybe. Just maybe. But I would expect gold to actually try to push back down at 9:30. Let's see.
Yeah,
Let's
I'm
see,
not gonna take the sells if we do.
Yeah, so four-hour might want to push and break out to the upside. Daily looking good to come up and fill the wick. So everything still looks great to come up though. The only thing that I don't like is that we have 45 minutes for a 4-hour closure, and it can just bleed back down in the range.
But like I said, in our creator, you sell every stuff you've got to make money.
Do I sell every blueprint?
No, every blueprint. Do a rare item or more. Should you sell them?
If you don't use them.
Some of them are used to craft stuff, so you would have to make sure that they're not used to be crafted with.
Yeah, but I mean the stuff that are not used in any.
Yeah, sell those. You can sell those.
That's finished.
Fuck this shit.
Boom, 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 ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-doo-doo-doo.
Ed, what are you thinking about 9:30?
Nothing, man. There's nothing for me. If we don't get a pullback support, I'm gonna stay out. I mean, we have a resistance here, but it's not really like. I don't want to take buys up from here because we're at the 4-hour resistance and stuff. Yeah, I would have to wait.
Yeah, the 15 minutes stopped right at the resistance, to the left and to the recent resistance.
Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Do 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 do. Do 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 dum 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 dum.
I don't know. Do you guys see any potential setups for you? For you guys?
For me, nothing.
For me, same. I don't see anything in the near future here.
I mean, I can see something, but I need time. At least an hour,
exactly.
An hour and a half.
Well, the potential thing I can see if this candle pulls back down a little bit, and then we can take a 9:30 fade back down, but that's pretty much gonna be. Otherwise, nothing. So let's say if this candle actually closes back down like a inverted celery some kind, and then the next candle opens up, creates a big top wick, but never breaks the highs, then we might just push back down. Because now you can see that we're losing steam to the upside also on the 30.
Yeah.
We have big wicks. Candles doesn't want to really push up. 9:30 coming in. Maybe a fade, yeah. A fade opportunity. But that's gonna be a quick in and out. 60 pips pretty much. That's it.
I mean, I see like the fade, the reasoning for it, but I don't know. I'm not a fan of taking sells up here right now.
No.
At all-time highs, I've noticed every time I take like a sell entry, I just get smacked.
Yeah.
It's like catching a fallen knife.
Exactly. So for me, I would rather wait for like a buy opportunity, and if I don't get one, I'm happy we're not taking anything.
Yeah.
But I understand, like, in regular market conditions, the fade would be nice right now.
Yeah, exactly. But this is not regular market conditions.
Mm-hmm.
This is rallying pretty much at all-time highs. So.
Exactly. Like, if you look at the 30-minute, does the 30-minute look, you know, regular? It's like been moving up, green, green, green. No pullback, just moving up here right now. And of course, then you would think we would need a pullback, right? A pullback would make sense. But all-time highs, sometimes you don't see that pullback coming, and you get faked out.
Exactly. And if you look at the 4 hour, we already had a big pullback.
Yeah, on the 4 hour, on the high time frames, we did get the pullback. That was the daily bottom wick. So now I think the daily is ready to fill this wick, maybe potentially even continue up. But even if this green candle, this 4 hour candle is huge right now, and it should come back down a little bit, but then also we are at all-time high, and we already had a fat pullback, ventilated a little bit. So yeah, maybe it makes more sense for price to just pump up. But so yeah. I might just wait for 9:30 to play out, see what happens. I'm not gonna take anything, but just see what happens, and then pretty much that's gonna be it. There you go, the highs are broken.
Yeah. So if this candle closes above now, are you down to take buys?
I'm not touching anything. No. I'm not taking buys from up here because it doesn't, follow my playbook.
No, exactly.
I'm not just gonna change up the strategy once we hit all-time highs. Like, I'm just gonna cater the strategy towards the all-time highs conditions, which means wait for support and take buys.
Yep.
But I'm not gonna take a trade where we don't have any range.
No, exactly.
So, gotta wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Yeah, see what 9:30 is gonna do, and then I'm gonna call it a day.
Yeah, let's wait for the 9:30 closure, and then most likely call it a stream there.
Yeah.
We're most likely gonna close near where we are right now.
WCPI though.
Yeah.
If we didn't get tapped, bro, it's still 200 something pips.
Yeah, and sweet time, the FOMC that's tonight is not like the actual FOMC that we talk about. This is just like some random dude named Barkin speaking. The real FOMC is usually on a Wednesday, and that's when you have Jerome speaking. But I heard something that Jerome is not gonna be in the Fed no more soon, so they're probably gonna replace him with someone else.
Yeah.
So tonight they're like CP. It's not like the actual FOMC.
No, actually. And also FOMC is it's not fun to
Nah, I don't trade FOMC just because it's so unpredictable. It's like its volume comes depending on what the person says, right? So
Yeah.
For example, with CPI, we know that the volume will come at 8:30 NYC time. But for FOMC, Jerome might be late. Jerome might not say anything that will increase the volume, or he might say something that will make the volume go crazy. But you don't know when, right? So it's kind of like you never know when you might get that volume spike.
Yeah, and also he can just flip up and down and up and down and up and down.
Exactly. So FOMC for me is like, I don't even go near that.
Yeah. Last time I traded FOMC, I lost an account, so of course, I think, or maybe that was practice. I don't remember. That was like 2 months ago.
Next 2 days I'm gonna be working in the White House, so I'm gonna be with you for maybe New York Stock Exchange Open NYC.
Yeah.
Did he just say that he's gonna work in the White House?
Yeah.
In the White House, yeah. So if you have some,
Yo, Mr. Powell, bro.
He's
Mr.
gonna
Powell.
be replacing Jerome.
Yeah. Well, this CPI was great. It was just it didn't really print as we wanted it to do. You know, it wasn't consistent printing. It did just print a little bit, hover, come down 5 pips, and then it printed a little bit more. So that's nah. It's not. It was not a great CPI, but it was a small printer, but it was not a consistent printing candle. Next CPI will be hopefully better. Yeah. Let's see what happens.
expect the worst, hope for the best.
Yep. Be ready to lose every account. Otherwise, it's gonna fuck up your mentality. Alright, 2.5 minutes for a 9:30
for nothing.
closure. No, nothing. Capitán. Capitán.
Okay, almost done.
Almost done with the White House.
Yeah. With the birthday
Yeah, the balloons.
decorations.
Did you finish the other balloon, or is it still just the 2?
Ah, man. Let me show you.
Nice colors too. Yep. 23.
Okay, she's
What does
two
it? What does it say on that pillow?
2, 3.
No, not. That's cool too. What does it say on the pillow?
Chill
Chili?
hair. Chill hair.
Oh, chill.
It's a chill pillow.
Maybe have it to where, like, when she comes in the door, the balloons fall in her face.
Nah, it rips open like a paper bag or something. Just down. You're gonna drink. Is it wine or champagne?
From sailing.
He muted his mic. So if you talk, we can't hear you.
Nah, I think he's muted on purpose. 60 crown.
Yeah.
Right.
60 crowns. This one was 20 crowns. This one was like wine for 79 crowns. And the guy just offered me to make a decoration on top of it for free. And I was like,
Nice.
no shit. Good. And yeah, this was like pretty garish balloons. And I don't see how to attach them to the ceiling, but
You
this would be
know,
nice. Yeah.
you can rub it on your hair and then put it on a wall.
You mean by this?
No. Have you never, like with the balloons, you know, you can rub it on your hair, create static electricity, and then put it on a wall?
Oh, static, yeah.
I mean, you could do that.
I think it will work. I want to make them go on the ceiling. Just stay there.
You have to like rub very, very quickly and then put it on the wall.
I want to prepare some birthday thing,
Some music.
birthday song.
Yeah, put on like beautiful ass music with a fireplace or something.
Yeah, more of like a birthday song.
Like Metallica or something. AC/DC.
And yeah, 9:30, nothing.
Yeah, nothing, bro. Nothing.
All right, I'm gonna call it a stream here. It's gonna be a little short stream today, but we'll be back for tomorrow.
Yep.
And there we have some more news. We got PPI. We'll not be trading that though. We'll just see that unfold. And maybe we can get some good setups tomorrow. So thank you for watching, and see you guys tomorrow.